We heard from our customers and we heard from our partners. There is a clear need for a digital supply chain platform. We really need to focus on the three aspects, which is focusing on the customer expectations, meeting these customer expectations. The second one is building a resilient and sustainable supply chain. And the third one is running the supply chain autonomously. If we do these three things, the world will change. If we do these three things, we will actually achieve a better output. Please reach out to us. We're looking forward to hearing from you. We're looking forward to learning from you. We're looking forward to engaging with you. It's all about building a digital supply chain, bringing this digital supply chain platform alive. Thank you for your attendance and have a good day.